In this video, I'm repairing this chainsaw because somebody did not use it correctly. And let's first make sure it starts, that way we know the engine runs and works properly. And I've already ordered a replacement bar and chain for it that's here already, so we can get that changed out. Okay, so let's add some gas to this thing and see if it starts. It takes mixed gas. I've got some gas oil mix here. Let's spill gas everywhere. Where is the on? Okay, so this starts, so let's change the bar out. Okay, so let's realize I got the wrong wrench here. One new chain later, let's see, let's loosen these. There's a special wrench for this, which I do not have. Of course, I can't find. So I'm going to improvise here with the improper tools. And that is metric. Okay, I found the right wrench. Tighten this. It's just dirty. I need to get a socket on that. Proper toy, use the tools here. I did not think through this. Now it's stuck. Let's use the appropriate hammer here. There we go. Ah! Oh, hold on. Okay, I figured this out. There we go. What's happening is these nuts are dirty with like sawdust. And let's use the more correct plier usage here. Pull this off. Get this blade. That goes over there. Back into this new one here. Some of the stupid anti-steel, you usually go to the hospital trying to open these things. Who in the brain? Okay, now we got this out. I'm surprised they haven't been sued by somebody going to the hospital trying to open this stupid packaging. Oh, this is when I was ordering something on Amazon. I don't remember what it was, but like it was like something that was $20, and you could pay double the price to get it in this packaging over a cardboard box. And I'm thinking, who would pay for that? Ridiculous. And the chainsaw chain is sharp. Now that we're all patched up here, let's take this and try to get this out and not cut myself again. Let's see here. What direction? It's important, if you look here, look at this tip here. That's the side it cuts, so it moves like this on the saw in this direction. So it's important to make sure the chain's going on the right way. So I repaired someone's chainsaw that wouldn't cut because they put the chain on backwards. It's like the Geico commercials or whatever. It's like seen it. What is it? Liberty need? No, what is it? Whatever that home insurance. It's like we've seen it all. Whatever. A home insurance company. We've seen it. We cover it. Whatever it is. Now that I've got copyrighted strike. See here. Put this around here. Close this real quick so I don't injure myself again. And then we need to put this cover on here. Let's start these nuts. And then we need to use this screw right here to tension the blade. So let's get that tightened up here. And you can see right now all that play. It should just come out about that far where these tips are barely in there. So this needs to be tightened up. So let's tighten this up. A little tighter because it'll stretch when it warms up. A little bit more. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And I'm going to tighten these nuts down here. Where does the socket go? That way we get a nice and firm grip on this blade. People who are smart right now will be wearing a glove on the hand that you just cut up. Oh well, we'll be fine here. Let's tighten this up. And now let's go try the saw out real quick. customer said this lawnmower runs and drives. Oh, I guess it runs and mows, but the drive is not working. So let's start this mower up and see what's going on with the drive and see if it works. Is there a cracker? Nope. Is there a gas in it? There is fuel. Okay, so after testing this, I've determined that it does run, but the drive lever here, it is not connected where the belt slipped off the drive. I think the belt slipped off, so let's take it in the garage and take it apart. Okay, so I brought the mower in the garage here. I don't know if you can tell it, but the belt in here is all loose. So what we need to do is pull this cover off right here and to get to the belt. We'll clean all this out later, back out in the yard. That way we don't get the garage all dirty. But let's just see, screw there, and there's a screw in here. So let's get this drill and get these out. Okay, so you see this belt, it's slipped off here. And looking at this belt, it's all worn down. Well, we got the pulley in here. This pulley looks fine. Let's get the belt on and see how stretched out it is. Yeah, this thing needs a new belt here. But let's go ahead and order that. But we should bring it out in the yard and get all this gunk out of this. So all this does is trap moisture and rust the mower. Let's go do that in the yard.
Why didn't you do this outside, buddy? Look,
I don't know.
I'll talk to you about that.
Okay, let's try this mower out and see how it works.